Hello everyone, my viewers and subscribers, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you easy and simple ways to make your white rice. And please one more thing, if you've not subscribed to my channel, you're new here, please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified each time I upload a new video. Here is our long grain rice. I will be starting by washing the rice. Washing the rice is for you to be able to remove the excess starch. Now I will be giving the rice a good wash until it comes out clean. While washing, you will notice that the water is gradually coming out clean. Now that the rice is washed, I will leave it on my strainer for like a minute or two and then get my pot and water. Here is the water in the pot. I will be adding in some salt, some olive oil to add taste to our rice. Now I will have to leave the water to boil up. Now the water is boiling, we'll have to pour in our washed rice to cook. Then you stir the rice to mix. Cover the pot for the rice to cook for like 15 minutes. Now the water has gone down to the level of the rice. At this point, you don't need to add more water anymore. No, all you need to do is to reduce the heat for the rice to steam up till the water eventually dries out. This will take like 15 minutes and that's it. Your rice is ready. Here comes our rice, ready to be served. Now let's check our rice underneath. Looking at it, you can see that there is no water in it. It's all dried. Okay guys, finally we've come to the end of today's video and I hope that you enjoyed watching, and please do not fail to like and drop your comment in the comment section down below. And as you do this, God bless you all for me. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.